Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing video for the Scrapdiva Designs December release. Thank you Erica for sending me these dies. You can find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com and get a 10% discount using the code PRISTRAMIC10. All the details are listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Here we have the 3D bow gift bag. There are 2 pages here, and here's the bow, and we also have a label here. And next up we have this Babie Onesie, and there's also 2 pages, and it includes buttons, suspenders, bows with layering pieces such as the shorts. And this one here is the baby words, and the words are little ones. We have baby girl, and the girl part is down here. You can see that it could be layered onto this baby word, so I thought that was unique and different. And same with this one here for the baby boy. There's a boy here, and you can layer the boy on top of this baby word, or vice versa. And here we have this one. This one is part of the sweet lullaby. So there's sweet and then there's a lullaby here. And you can add that onto this background piece. And the background is stitched. Also we have, let's see, other words we have are welcome baby. So this is the welcome, and the baby is here. So you can also layer this baby on top or on the bottom of this word welcome. And all of these have the background stitching piece, which is like super cute. These words, the style and the font of it is like really unique. And I love the sizing of these words. And let's see what else we have. We have special delivery here, and the delivery can layer that on here. And finally we have peekaboo. I just love this layering part for the words. I'm just super excited to see how this is going to turn out. Next up we have this baseball mini album, and it comes with these really nice embellishments for the baseball diamond. It looks like here we have the either the home plate or first, second, third base. You can make it into many different things, and then we have the piece to make the hinge or whatever, the album. So it's nice to have that with the album. And here's a stitching piece, and I know the Dodgers won, so the American League. So yeah, there's going to be some baseball words coming up too that you can add onto this album, so it's really nice. And here we have the round charcuterie board add-on, and this add-on is for the charcuterie board from a long time ago, and because this is like scalloped, and we have 5 different sizes, so I guess there's like 2 pages here, maybe. Yeah, there's 2 pages here, and it includes this hole where you can add, you know, loops or ribbons, rings on there to make it into a tag. So many different options that you can do with this. And here we have a let's see what this one is. This one is a candy bag shaker, and there's 2 sizes, and it also has 2 pages here. And I just think this is super cute. It includes these peppermints and some round cookies, as well as these rabbits, and we have some square cookies. And the second page, it has more of these square cookies. And what else is there? There's also words that are included in here. There's cookies and candy mix in a large size and a candy mix word in a small size. So I think this is super duper cute die set. And yeah, I love snacks and food, so yeah. Well, let's move on to the next one. We have the Baby Bear mini album. This Baby Bear mini album also has 2 pages, and I believe this bear is also holding a smaller bear, which I think that is super adorable and cute at the same time. And it includes the faces and layering body pieces such as the arms and the legs. And what else can I say about this one? Yeah, I think that's about it for this bear. And let's move on. We have this one here. This one is called the Christmas bell tag, and it also looks like you can make it into a shaker, this bell. And it's so neat how it's built into this tag. And it has this reinforcement hole for this bell tag. And next up we have this shaker bowl number 2. There's 2 sizes, a large and a small. And it's so adorable, these bowls, and it's great for embellishing your projects. I just love anything that's bow related as well. So yeah, can't wait to make these. And here we have the Reindeer Treat Box. I think this is super cute. It looks like one of those, not really quite sure what you call them, those like firecracker like gifts where you like that style. It looks like that, but yeah, this one is like a box with a reindeer head and the nose and the eyes for the reindeer here. And yeah, this looks really interesting. I'm thinking it's only 1 page. Yes. And here we have the baby rattle. This baby rattle includes a bow, the word "oh baby," and a heart, and lots of layering pieces, and you see some stars here. Yeah, so this is really cute and interesting. And next up we have this vintage clock shaker in 3 sizes, a large, medium, and a small. And it comes with this design. And here are the shaker pieces. And it looks like there's just the one design for, I guess you can add it to this medium one and the large one. Yes. And here's a really pretty metal die set, and this one is called Baby Dreams. It has a crescent moon and some stars, and the word that is included in this set is there's 2 words, 2 styles. One is sweet dreams, so one of them has sweet dreams on it, and then the other one has over the moon. So you have 2 styles here, and I think this is like super adorable. It could be baby theme, it could be like a PJ party theme, and astronomy theme. So many different things you can add, and I'm thinking like little twin stars. And yeah, it looks pretty neat. And here is the baseball words. So the baseball words are bat, glove, team, play, little, batter, double, and player. And it also includes the shadow words. And here we have the Dear Santa letter. There's 4 different sizes. And it has this like imprint of the heart and little squiggly lines. So there's 4 different sizes. And this one here is the pajama set, and there's a long sleeve shirt, I believe. And then we have the pants and some of the layering pieces for the shirt and the pants. Oh, and for this letter set, I think it'll go great with last month's release where we had a 3D envelope box. And my theme had like a hedgehog holding a letter, so I think this would look cool with it too. And also the previous 2 months ago was like a Santa mini album. Maybe this would be like Santa reading letters, you know. It's really goes with a lot of things. It goes with the Valentine's theme, and there's a lot of different postage stamp dies from past releases. So yeah, this would go great on those. And then we have this one here. This one is called the Holly and Berries. There's 3 sizes, large, medium, and small. It comes with these berries in large, medium, and small. And these are great decorating items. I thought, oh yes, we need more of these for the Christmas theme. The Christmas theme projects that we have. And here's the second set of baseball words. And the words are major, run, slam, coach, home, grand, pitcher, league, baseball, and strikeout. And here we have finally the teddy bear set. And this teddy bear set is going to look so cute. It's like a little tiny teddy bear. It'll look great on many of the projects that you have. And part of the baby themes in this whole December release. So it's going to look so adorable. It's so tiny. It's so cute and adorable. So yeah, that's about it. So this is the December release. I'll put all the links once it becomes available on December 3rd. And you can get a 10% discount with the discount code, with my discount code PRISGEMIC10. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!